So we are at my newest listing in Decatur. So when you first walk in, you notice this is a completely renovated and added on to property that has a gorgeous open concept. You're walking into a nice open kitchen that's light and bright, beautiful dining area, living room, moving right into a special sunroom. So this house is actually very deceiving from the street because it looks like a sweet little cottage, but it's actually huge. There's over 2,000 square feet here. They have 4 beautiful bedrooms here, including, some that have really interesting layouts, a little bit of a different design so that you have a lot of privacy. And you have this incredible bathroom that's been redone that has double vanities and a gorgeous shower in addition to your primary bath. So now we're in the primary suite, and it is a really incredible size. You have room for your bedding. You can also have a separate seating area. You have these amazing wall of windows looking out into your private backyard, and this incredible bathroom that has a massive shower, slipper tub, huge closet that has double areas for 2 people to share. It is truly a spectacular part of this home. So this is my favorite spot in the entire house. This little sunroom is so precious with incredible light, has access onto this special little courtyard. It's full of greenery. This is all fenced in, so it's very private. So you can use it as a great sitting area, or it could be a perfect little office. And parking here is not an issue. So whenever you come back, in addition to having a space in the front, you have an electric gate to come back, and then you have all of this additional parking space that you can use either to park and turn around, or you can use for additional patio space. It's really a great setup.